What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Clickbank without actually using a website. So you can do this for 100% free if you want. You don't have to use any website or anything like that. So the problem that I see with a lot of people is they want to try and build a business without a website, which I highly don't recommend you do that. You should really have a website when you're trying to build a business online. But if you are in a position where you want to make a little bit of money, about $100 per day, there's lots of ways you can do it. And I'm going to show you one of those ways in this video. With Clickbank, you only really need a couple of sales a day to make $100 a day. It's not actually that hard. And at the end of this video, guys, I'm going to show you a bonus niche that you've never, ever heard about before online. It's a funny little niche. And this niche I'm actually going to be showing you throughout this video is a niche you've probably never heard of before either. All right, before we get started, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's a website where you can promote products and get a commission, usually around about $50. 50% commissions. And there's all sorts of niches. There's computers, there's gardening, health and fitness, and all that sort of stuff. But to cut the time in half for you researching, I'm going to tell you the 3 best niches and the niche that we're going to be talking about in this training, okay? So the 3 best niches you want to jump into are make money online, cryptocurrency, and fitness. Why? Because these 3 get a huge amount of traffic. They have people that want to buy in them, and all 3 of these industries, you can solve a problem with a solution quite quickly, right? The solution is how to make more money, or how to make money, how to trade cryptocurrency, how to get fit. So these are the 3 industries you can get into. And then woodwork is one that we're going to talk about in this training, which is quite interesting and it's getting quite popular now. So I want to talk about this in this training. So let's jump in, guys, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now, before we jump into the actual doing this, I want to show you, there's some products in this woodwork industry, well, one in particular that's really, really popular right now. And this is called Ted's Woodworking. And we'll check it out. And it's got you get around about $60 per sale. So all you need is 2 sales per day to get over $100. And if you want to promote it, you just click promote. And they have an affiliate page as well. Now the page itself, a lot of people always say, oh, these pages look bad, they're old. Guys, this is what's working. You got to remember that people have short attention spans. They don't like flashy stuff. They don't like pop-ups. They don't like to see this and that. All they want to do is see what they need to see, either buy the product or don't buy the product, okay? So stop letting that hold you back with this product looks scammy, this product looks spammy. This product is selling. It has 127 gravity, which means in the last 30 days, 112. In the last 30 days, 112 people have made at least 1 sale with this product, okay? So this product is selling. Is selling. So what this product is about, it's about woodworking projects and all that stuff. But who cares about that? How do you get the traffic? How can you make $100 per day? Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do that. But first, I want to show you that people actually are promoting woodworking products. So don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to use YouTube, but this one here, this video has over 100,000 views, and if you click on this link, it goes to a woodwork course or training or something in the Clickbank platform. Okay, so this is another product that you could probably, use as well. I guess it's from the same person. It's kind of very, very similar landing page. So maybe this is something you could promote as well. Just put woodwork profits into thing. We might actually do that. We'll see what kind of gravity it's got right now. Gravity is 30, so it's actually a lot lower. So you might have, and you only get $30 per sale. So you have to get 3 or 4 sales a day to make $100. Now, how do you actually go out and promote this stuff, guys? Well, there's an untapped market in a place where you can get a free account right now, and you can go out and start to get traffic. And it's very, very, engaging traffic. That place is, my friends, Instagram. Now, the thing about Instagram, this is the reason why this is a very good traffic source. You can repost people's videos and images and stuff. It's called fair use. You can use a repost app as long as you give credit. And right now, Instagram is at a point in time where it's getting very, very popular, and it's very easy to manipulate the algorithm. Okay? So first of all, the reason why I chose woodwork is because it's very, very popular on Instagram right now. It's cool. Like, you can go to these pages that have just insane videos that would easily go viral. These will go viral very, very easy because they're just they drag people into the video. Like, if we click this, it just drags people into the video and they stick and they stay and they get interested. So you can have a little caption saying, if you want to learn how to do this or something, check out the link in my profile. Now, the thing is though, that's all very well, whatever Franklin, how do you actually grow these accounts? So there's a bit of a trick to Instagram right now. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can grow your account, but this woodwork thing is probably, is going to do quite well because there's lots of viral videos that you can use. Like, look at all of these videos you can go out and repost to get followers and views. This is a massive niche on Instagram, an absolutely huge niche that you can tap into. So what do you do? How do you grow? How do you get sales? 2 things you can do, and I recommend one of them, and I don't really recommend the other. So the first one, guys, is actually using a bot called Follow Liker that'll follow and unfollow. I'm actually using this right now on one of my accounts, and I do retargeting. Got 12,000 followers in a very short amount of time. Now, you guys probably know this account. I'm not going to say the name because Instagram, I don't want them checking my stuff out, but I go and grow these accounts and promote my own courses. And guys, I've made thousands upon thousands of dollars doing it. It's no different from trying to promote a Clickbank product. Although I have a bit of personal branding, even if I didn't, I would still be making money, okay? So you can do what we call follow and unfollow with a product called Follow Liker. If you follow 200 people a day and then unfollow, do that at least 1 round. You have to do that on new accounts just to, bed it in. And then after that, you can follow 700 people a day up to 1,000 and then unfollow. And then you'll do that on a weekly basis. So follow and then unfollow the next week. You should be able to get between 50 to 200 followers per day when running this method. Now, I don't actually recommend doing this, and it does cost you money. I know I said this is the free method, but the thing is with this is it brings your health of your account down a little bit. So your organic reach will decrease over time, but you can get consistent sales with this. But what I would recommend you actually go out there and do, guys, is go view my last videos on how I got 10,000 Instagram followers in 13 days and a couple of others. We use video. We go to what we call engagement groups, which you can join some for free, so go learn how to do that. And we use power likes, which we buy for like $3 per post. So that does cost, but power likes as well. What this does is this engagement will boost up the videos, and these woodwork videos would actually be very, very easy to get viral because they're the type of videos that would go viral because they just bring people in, they keep people watching, and they keep people engaging, right? So it's, let's have a look. Look at this one here. That's an image, but he's got so many likes, right? 10,000 likes. This is a video. This video here has got 70,000 views, right? So you just go out there and repost other videos that have at least, 10, 50,000 views onto your profile. You go out and you go into these engagement groups and power likes and stuff like that, and people will click on your link in your profile on a daily basis. You can expect to get, between 20 to 100 clicks on your link, depending on how viral your stuff goes. When we get stuff to go viral, guys, we sometimes get 3,000 to 4,000 followers in a day. The link clicks in the profile is insane. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of link clicks. All you gotta do is get a few videos to go viral, and you build up this massive woodworking Instagram profile, which is a hot niche right now. And then all you do is you go and get this affiliate link, you click promote on a woodworking product, you put that affiliate link in your profile link here, which goes against what I said in my last video, but you're promoting affiliate products, you can't do ads for them. You put it in here, or you can build out an email list and you can go out and send emails, but you need a website for that. But you go and put the link in here and you just repost these videos that are probably going to go viral, or at least get you 10, 20, 30,000 views by doing these engagement groups. Or if you don't want to do engagement groups, go and run a bot. It's a lot slower, but you will get sales. You can get 1 or 2 or 3 sales a day once the momentum starts to go. And guys, you need to remember that once your account starts growing more and more, you get more engagement, you're just going to start to get more organic growth as you go. If you're posting 1, 2, 3 times a day, you have to at least post daily, and it's going to grow. So that's exactly what you can go out and do, guys, is go and use Instagram. It's getting massive now. Instagram is becoming better than ever. It's becoming big. They're trying to go, in competition with everybody else, like YouTube and stuff like that. They are really putting a lot of work into Instagram right now, and the woodworking niche is absolutely huge. It's a massive niche. It's very, very popular. And there's products from Clickbank that you can promote, okay? So go and put in the work, put in the effort, and you can go and get this sort of stuff done. Now, guys, what I did actually find is, this is the bot I use. Everyone's always asking, followliker.com, you download the bot. Now, what I also found, guys, is a weird niche, and I was very surprised, is battery reconditioning. And then, I don't know how I came across this, clicked on this video, and I clicked on some others, and there's actually a link down here for a Clickbank product. So I don't know anything about battery reconditioning, but clearly it works. These guys clearly make money from this, or they wouldn't be doing these videos. So maybe you could do a car Instagram, and you could go out there and promote this battery reconditioning thing. Like, I don't know, but that's the thing with Clickbank. There's all of these make money, like there's the make money online niche and the crypto niche and the fitness niche, which are the most popular, and I do recommend getting into those. But there's also the car niche or something. Now, let's just do fitness real quick, guys, to show you how big this is. Obviously, with make money online, you wouldn't be able to, do much Instagram. You have to do luxury and stuff like that. But fitness is massive. Fitness is a huge niche. There's lots of viral videos you can use and stuff like that as well. And there is a mega amount of fitness products on Clickbank. Huge. It's the biggest industry. It's huge. And, let's go Gravity, Toned in 10, Gravity 14, $14 per sale though. It's a little bit low. $35 per sale, $45 per sale. There is a huge list of fitness stuff you can go out and promote. Okay, guys? Now, before we close this video, guys, I've just opened up my free affiliate training. Last couple videos, I put it out, then I was going to close it. Opening it for the next 100 people only to get into this training. Now, to get into this training, you can use this as a ClickFunnels training, but you can use this for Clickbank as well and other trainings. You get my free funnel, get all sorts of cool stuff. What I want you to do is comment below, show me the money, and I'll personally send you an invite to this training, okay? And also, we have the winner from the last video in the pinned comment below. Every single video, I give away access to one of my courses, over $2,000 in value. All you've got to do is go to the description, read the instructions, do those 3 things, and you go into the draw automatically for the next video. And I put the last video in a comment generator, and I take the winner and post it in the next pinned comment. And I actually do announce winners. Nearly everybody else that does this stuff doesn't actually announce winners. It's fully illegal. You have to actually announce a winner. So the winner is in the pinned comment below. Go and try out this method, guys. Even if you don't want to do woodwork or anything like that, fitness is a massive, massive niche. Woodwork is a massive, massive niche. And all you need is the traffic source, guys, and the offer. The traffic source is your Instagram. The offer is your woodworking, whatever this is. Okay, guys, and that's it. Remember, first 100 people only into my ClickFunnels training below. Once those 100 people have come in, and they will come in really, really quickly, I am actually closing it. It's a complete free affiliate marketing training course, and you get free funnels, all that sort of stuff as well. And the winner is below. I'll see you guys in the next video.